When church bells ring, they do more than mark time. They were originally meant to summon people to prayer and remind the faithful of God's presence. At times, their sound stirs the soul. It evokes a feeling that transcends the ordinariness of daily life, inviting us to pause, reflect, and awaken to the spiritual reality that often lies dormant beneath life's constant noise. Even though we know the certainty of death, we live most of our lives as if it would never happen. A valuable reminder is to contemplate the reason for our existence and seek answers, rather than going through the motions without mindful awareness, for our time on earth is limited. Therefore, let us live with intention, humility, and an eternal perspective. It is written, "Teach us to number our days, that we may gain a heart of wisdom." And, "Look carefully then how you walk, not as unwise but as wise, making the best use of the time, because the days are evil."